Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change BMW 5 Series wiper blades. First, ensure your vehicle's ignition is on, but the engine remains off. Next, locate the wiper stalk on the right side of your steering column. Gently press and hold this stalk upwards for approximately 3 seconds. You'll notice the wiper arms then move to a vertical service position, making them easily accessible for the next steps. With the wiper arms in service position, carefully lift one arm away from the windshield until it locks into place. Now, look closely at the wiper blade where it connects to the arm. You'll find a small release tab. Press this firmly. While holding the tab, slide the old wiper blade downwards or outwards, depending on the specific model, to detach it from the arm's hook. Repeat this for the other side. Now it's time to install your new wiper blades. Take one new blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Gently slide the new blade upwards onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked into place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firmly attached and won't come loose during operation. Repeat this precise process for the second wiper arm. To complete the process, simply turn off your vehicle's ignition. The wiper arms will automatically retract from their service position and return to their normal resting place on the windshield. Before driving, it's always a good idea to test your new blades. Use your windshield washer fluid to spray water onto the glass and activate the wipers, ensuring they clear the windshield effectively and smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.